Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through a quick and easy way to merge cells in Excel. Merging cells is a smart method to format your data table effectively. Let's dive in. So first, what does merging cells means? Merging cells in a spreadsheet means combining a group of separate cells into a single large cell that covers the entire area of the selected group. There are several ways to do this in Excel, but we'll focus on the most effective, and once here we are going to alignment. So first of all, we are going to navigate to the Home tab, and as you can see in alignment, we have options for merging and unmerging cells. These options provide you 4 ways to merge and unmerge cells. So first, if you want the header of your table to be centered, we are going to use the first option, which says merge and center. This will merge the selected cells and center the text. If you don't want to center the text, use the third option from the top, which says merge cells. Now, as you can see, the text is in the same position, right? If you want to merge cells horizontally, what you are going to do is to select the whole area, and once you have selected it, you are going to merge and center again, and you will press on merge across. Sometimes you may need to undo the merging of cells to return them to their original state. So here's how. Select the area you want to unmerge, and now click on the last option, which says unmerge cells. Now all cells will return to their separate original state. If you merge cells with text in each cell, as you can see now, Excel will display a warning message. Only the text in the top left cell will remain, and the contents of the other cells will be deleted. So again, if you want to undo this merging, the only thing that you have to do is to press on merge and center again and unmerge all the cells. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy tutorials. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.